Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips. Today, we're diving into the iDrive Password Manager, exploring its features and overall user experience. If you're searching for a dependable and secure way to manage your passwords, this review is for you. Find convenient links to the product in the description below. iDrive Password Manager presents a robust solution designed to bolster digital security for both individuals and businesses. It offers a comprehensive platform for storing, managing, and safeguarding your passwords, eliminating the need to rely on memory or risky practices like writing them down. This password manager boasts cross-platform compatibility, seamlessly syncing your data across your Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS devices. A key strength of iDrive Password Manager lies in its end-to-end encryption. Your sensitive information is encrypted locally on your device before it reaches the cloud, ensuring that no one, not even iDrive, has access to your login credentials. The user-friendly interface provides an intuitive dashboard where you can neatly categorize your passwords, generate strong, unique passwords, and effortlessly autofill login details. Moreover, the integrated password health checker identifies weak or reused passwords, helping you bolster your overall security posture. For families and teams, iDrive simplifies secure sharing of specific passwords or secure notes without compromising sensitive information. The biometric login option, using fingerprint or Face ID, adds an extra layer of convenience and security when accessing your password vault. So, who is iDrive Password Manager for? It's an ideal solution for anyone prioritizing convenience and robust security in managing their digital lives. Whether you're an individual juggling numerous personal accounts or a business owner protecting critical data, this tool adapts to your specific needs. Furthermore, its competitive pricing makes it a cost-effective alternative to similar password management solutions. In conclusion, iDrive Password Manager offers a feature-rich and secure platform for managing your passwords. Its clean interface, advanced security measures, and flexible sharing options position it as a leading choice in its category. Click the links below to learn more and secure your digital life today.